Hello guys, today we are going to draft a skirt pattern, that is simple skirt pattern. For that the material you require is curve scale, measuring tape and straight scale, mechanical pencil eraser and one drafting sheet. You can also use the white or brown sheet. The measurements which I will take that is round waist 79 cm, round hip 95 cm, crotch is 20 cm and total length of skirt is 51 cm. You can also change the measurements and you can also take these measurement in inches rather than in centimeters. So we will start with the drafting. Round hip which I have taken, that is 95 cm, and we have to half that measurement, that means that will remain 47.5 cm. We will mark the point at 47.5 centimeters. This is 47.5 centimeter and my length of skirt is 51 centimeter. After that we will make the rectangle box. Now this is my rectangle box. Cut out this rectangle box. After cutting this rectangle piece, mark the center point. You can also measure by the measuring tape and mark. Now make the straight line in the center. After making the center line, now I will mark the crotch area, which is 20 centimeter. After marking the 20 centimeter, make the straight line. Now this is our waist area, this is our hip area and this is our hemming area. You will mark here the points. This is our front side and this is our back side. So according to our body measurement, the back side is the more fullest area rather than the front side. For the back side, the dart measurement and the marking points will be different than the front one. So for front one, here we will mark the point which is at 4 centimeters. And here we will mark the point which is at 3 centimeter. According to our body measurement, back area has more fullness rather than the front area. So the marking will be 4 centimeter on front side and 3 centimeter on back side. After marking that, we will make a curve line with help of this curve scale. The mark of 4 centimeter, and here the center mark, we will join the line. Like this, and on this side so this is our side seam lines, means our hip area on which we will give the curve lines. So after that, we will mark the dart points. Make the half. Mark the center point from here to here. So this is our center point, and same mark the center point on this side also. So for darts, the measurements are also different. For front dart, the length will be 9 centimeters. And for back dart, the length will be 12 centimeters. So this is our marking. Now for front dart, the measurement will be 2 centimeter. The dart will be of 2 centimeter. It means 1 centimeter on both the side. We will mark the point which will be 1 centimeters. And we will make the triangle. So this is our front dart, and for back dart, the measurement will be 1.25 centimeters. So after dart, now we will mark the waist curve, which is very important. For that, the front waist curve will be 2.5 centimeters, and the back waist curve is 2 centimeters. Now we will join this point with this point with the help of this curve scale. And same here, we will join this point with this point. Now after completing this drafting, we will cut out. After cutting our skirt, the drafting is completed. Here is our darts, and this is our waist curve, and this is our crotch area, and this is our side seam. This is our hip curve, and the drafting is completed, which is very easy and simple. If you like my video, then please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.